Hi everyone, welcome to week 2. For week 2, we're going to be looking at the following chapters that you want to read in your book, and make sure to note that a couple of the chapters you're only going to be reading sections. For this week, you have your research, and what you're going to look at your research is pick a firm of interest and find its most recent SEC filing. When you go to the website, click on filings, click on company search, search for a company that's listed on the stock exchange. Chipotle, McDonald's, Apple, Home Depot, Lowe's, Starbucks, those types of companies. Now, select the most 10K document, read the statement of operations, take note of the revenue and costs and profit and loss, then read the executive's decisions in the report, and then you have to search around it for a little bit, and you're going to look for a discussion on how the firm was or was not profitable. What were some of the challenges that the firm faced, and how was the firm dealing with these particular challenges? Now, when you begin collecting materials for the team project, you're going to find data on GDP, inflation, unemployment, and these will start to help you understand the struggles that this firm might experience as well. For example, if you look at a firm like Starbucks, let's say, and they're starting to experience a decline in sales, and you notice that the decline in sales could be related to a higher unemployment rate, that is something you want to bring in, as it's a good connection into what we're looking at. Okay? You're also going to want to look at focusing on the discussion board, and in your discussion board work, you need to make sure to have an APA formatted in-text citation and reference to support your work, as that's very important. And also, when you do your peer responses, you should have at least one paragraph, and your content development in your initial post should be at least 3 to 4 paragraphs. That's very important. A lot of you are doing very short initial posts. Really focus on those efforts in that area. And then assignment 2.1, you're going to be looking at marginal utility, marginal cost, and decisions we have to make. And make sure to focus on how to calculate marginal utility. To calculate marginal utility, you're looking at the additional utility from consuming an additional good. That's the key thing to look at. And then in assignment 2.2, you're going to briefly analyze what management said in its SEC report discussion. What did the firm do in the last period? What are some of the reasons they're giving for this? What are some of the significant events in the economy that happen? I would recommend using subheadings in your work, because I think that will make it much easier to define what we're looking at. And then you have the week 2 team problem. And make sure with your week 2 team problem that you're completing the section that's being outlined. If you need any additional assistance on the week 2 problem, let me know. But I look forward to your effort this week.